Hello guys, welcome to another beautiful session with me, and today I'm going to walk you through how to design this beautiful social media flyer in Photoshop. If you are new to my channel, please consider to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever I post awesome video like this. Like this video, share it with your friend and comment how you feel about this design. This is the only way you can help my channel to grow and to reach larger audience. In few minutes time, we will get this thing done. Stay tuned and make sure you watch this video to the end. Let's get started. We will give our project a name, and I've given it a name already. Thank God it's Friday. We go by this setting 4 by 5 inches, and when you are done you click on create. Awesome. So first thing we are going to do is to go to our solid color, go to adjustment, go to solid color and give it this color, and this is the color code popping up here: 0E0600, 0E0600. So with that we are good to go, and we go straight to our text tool, type T on our keyboard, and I'm going to type this out. Control Control to select all, and we are going to change the font to this font, this one, and we use bold. I'm going to increase it here. Increase it to awesome. Control T on our keyboard. I'm going to increase the size, increase it like this. Okay, cool. After clicking mark, we are going to right click on this, and we are going to convert it to shape. Converted it to shape, and go to this side, go to this select A on our keyboard to select it, and I'm going to select this part. Awesome. So what you are going to do is just to drag it and make sure it's straight, and drag it like this. Awesome. And okay, I'm cool with this. One thing you can just do is just to Control T to select and to transform it, but I'm okay with this. But I can increase the size a little, just a little. It's cool, it's fine. And after achieving this, we can go to our gallery, and we're going to import this guy, import, drag it in, drop it here. Awesome. Reduce the size. So we are going to centralize this. Centralize it like this, and also the text, centralize it like this. Make sure everything is center. We can as well, we can select both and increase it just like this until you are satisfied, and we centralize it again. Awesome. I think this is nice. Awesome. So one thing you are going to do, select this image and go to filter, go to camera raw filter. We are going to pop it up. We are going to pop up the image to enhance the image the more. Alright, so just go to this copy, give it more exposure, increase the contrast, increase the highlight, then go to texture, increase the texture, increase the clarity and vibrance a bit. Details, I'm going to sharpen it. I think with this we are good to go. So the next thing we are going to do, go to image and go to adjustment and go to black and white. So we are going to reduce the black, reduce the red, increase the blue, reduce the red, then increase the blue. Alright, then click OK. And when that is achieved, you have to mark the edge. So you can see that the edge is very sharp, so we have to merge it. We have to merge it, and we are going to erase the edge to make it soft. Hold the capital on your keyboard, then just like this. We are going to do the same thing with the text. Merge it, mask it, and be on our keyboard to nice. When that is gone, we go to our gallery. We are going to drag this image. We are going to drag it in, and we are going to fill the image on the whole design, just like this, and click OK. So what we are going to do is to reduce the opacity to something around 40, 42. Yeah, it's nice like this, and we are going to change the blending option to screen, and we are good to go. So we are going to mask it, and we get rid of the part that we don't want. Be on our keyboard, then we start with this. It's okay like this, and get rid of it at this side. Nice. The next thing we are going to do, just click on the text. In this text, go to our gallery, and we are going to bring in this image. We are going to drag it in, drag it here, and we are going to expand it. The same thing we did to the text the other time. Then click mark. So what you are going to do is to right click on it and click on create clipping marks, so that the effect will be directly on the text. And we are going to change the blending mode to difference. Awesome, our design is coming to life. So click on this and go to our adjustment layer, then go to rouge and saturation. So click on colorize, and you can follow this setting. So I make this one, sound 4, and I also put it towards this side, and let me leave it around 190. Awesome. So you can go by this setting, and with this I think I'm cool with this. I'm cool, and this is making sense and it's looking awesome. So before we move further, let's click on this text, and let's create a new text, a new layer. And under this, I want to create a shadow at the edge at this. I want to create a shadow around this guy, and I think this is okay. And let's change it to, we are going to change it to multiply to make it more darker. and if it is too much you can reduce the opacity to something like 75. I think this is cool and this is okay. So what next thing we are going to do is to go to our test. So I have the test here, so I don't, just to save time, I'm going to copy it. Ctrl C to copy, and I'm going to paste it here. Ctrl V to paste. Ctrl T to transform it. I'm going to drag it to this side. I'm going to drag it to this side. I think it's okay like this. And I'm going to centralize it. Centralize it using this shortcut. So looking at the test, this is the test. This is the font that I use for this one, and for this one, this is the font that I use for this one. So you can use it if you like, and you can choose any text that you want. It definitely depends on you. And I think with this we are good to go. So the next thing we are going to do to wrap it off is to go to our adjustment layer and go to color balance, just to give it a finishing touch. So more of the blue, and just to give it blue side. And as you can see, our design is live and it's awesome. It's looking awesome and it's looking beautiful. Alright guys, and with this we come to the end of today's tutorial. I hope you are able to gain value from this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and also comment how you feel about this design. This is the only way you can help my channel to grow and to reach larger audience. Please comment how you feel about this design, like it, and share this video with your friend. And I will see you in my next tutorial. Don't forget, keep creating, keep engaging, keep learning. Bye for now.